Prepare to attack.
Okay.
Select your hero.
How's it going, guys?
Hey.
Moira one trick.
Hey.
Got 3 support only players.
They're probably gonna have a junk.
Come on, let's bring it together.
Yeah, triple tank works.
Alright, you guys want? Lucky? Or what?
This is fine. This is good.
Yeah.
I can play right, I'm not too good at it.
4, 3, 2,
No, I think this is fine.
1. Round 1. Capture the objective.
I was very close to assigning you a Mercy instead of Lucio.
Never run, Moira.
Well,
Spread
let's
out,
see what they
spread
have
out.
first.
Leave us half? Moira half?
There's
Get
me.
them right.
That's not good.
Genji half?
Oh, that's not good.
He's half behind you.
Can I get some boops here? That's what we need. Ah,
Okay, I found the Genji,
Charge.
by the way. He's alone as me.
we can get this right.
Right, one.
Alright, got the Zarya?
Moira. He's main. Half.
Darn.
Genji should be half.
Wonderful.
Now to accelerate.
Stay point if you can.
My tactical visor is charging.
Oh, messed up the rollout.
Oh, this is my jam.
Who's that, Mike?
She's backing back. Sorry?
Alright, speeding in, go.
Lucio behind.
I'm a diva.
Lucio's low.
Yeah, Genji's blade. He's almost out of mech. He's out of mech now.
Oh, let's break it.
Point.
Sorry, I didn't need that.
Too bad. There's coming to point. He's gonna grab.
I sure hope so. That would be such a throw.
Let's move and try to hold this choke.
I'm gonna stop the
They have grab for next fight.
They've grabbed
Time to
him.
heal up.
Oh, appreciate the kind words, Authentic.
We can see Zarya somewhere.
They need a bomb yet?
I think they're good.
We'll have it.
Up the tempo.
Right half.
Time's weak.
I'm trying to save my boot. Yeah.
Can you kill the Zarya?
She's low.
No supports, careful guys.
Genji's behind.
It's just me.
That might have been throw.
Let's move it, people.
Oh, the fight's already over. Never mind. We could go pharmacy here. Could not.
Wouldn't be bad. Junkrat wouldn't be bad. I'm probably gonna have to swap to maintain.
It's gonna make you feel better. Move to the beat.
You want her to come to right?
Keep low.
Yeah, they want to grab this now.
Yeah, they still have grab.
Yeah, they use grab, they use blade. They're running back to point right now. Let's reset.
Oh, oh, oh. Now to accelerate. Ooh, you hear that?
My ultimate.
I'm gonna tap point.
Soul. Lucio low.
Dropping a beat in 2 seconds.
Oh, let's break it. Damn.
Good, Byron.
Lucio, get down right side. Lucio. Moira.
Good, Daimler.
Alright, nice.
They're on monkey now.
Monkey out.
Just spam them as they walk in. Hog's looking for hooks.
Watch out, Moira.
Monkey's house. Get right.
Someone get it, someone get it.
Keep it low.
Oh.
Keep it super low.
Very good. Just
Like
diva, 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 diva,
Use
diva,
ults,
diva.
guys. Use ults, you're down.
One game point. He's one.
You can't lose this fight.
Hog's weak.
Alright, no more ults, no more ults, we got it. No more ults.
Guys.
I'll just follow me.
Good.
Lucio and
Got a
Hanson.
Lucio close.
Man.
Good, good,
I need to
good.
practice my rollouts.
Got Lucio, man.
Diva. Hog half.
Hog's dead.
It's a double. Monkey one in the back.
Oh, let's break it.
Lucio's weak. Look at the Moira right
Ah.
side. Moira dead.
Lucio
This Lucio. Alright, now Winston. It's a weak one.
Alright, good round, guys. Alright, really pulled it back, man.
If it's well, we can go there. Mercy.
But does an overtrack always show SR? If I'm grouped with someone, sometimes that usually will throw it off unless I like look to my career profile, which I usually don't bother with. When I'm solo queue, honestly, I don't know. It should. Oh boy, this is where the rollout was, guys. Exclamation mark rollout.
One. Round 2. Capture the objective.
Definitely go over there.
Yeah, the Widow top mid.
Genji in the back lane. Genji flank, no dash.
Genji weak. Come Genji.
Bro, I'm missing.
Alright, we're on the Moira. We're all on the Moira.
Right hand Moira. Moira dead. Widow top left.
Ryan is very weak. We can kill him.
Come on, Ryan.
Diva half. Very low.
I'm on the Diva. Diva's very weak. Diva's out of mech.
I'm gonna
Got a Widow lower left. Kill the baby Diva.
Get
him
Widow left side. I sucked it.
It's too aggressive.
Yeah.
Down Lucio. Getting close to Mom. They have mech.
Beat goes on.
Oh no, I caught an extra jump.
Left side, no fade.
Rip rollout.
She's super low. Left side. Nice shot. Right point.
Trying to kill the free right side.
No, I overjumped, Oh god, please. Oh no, the Widow. Oh god, everything. Okay, we're good. Good, easy.
Killing Lucio right side. Lucio's very weak, good.
No cannon.
Yeah, walls.
Hey, got Widow left side. Lower left side. I'm gonna push this Widow.
Ron's low on the left, Ron's low on the left.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Gonna make you feel better.
Push him with our hog. We should go into them. Ryan's very weak. Ryan could die. Can we give him a creep?
It was low.
He's dead.
Moira's low.
Right half. Behind you guys.
Very nice. Get this Lucio that's going right side. Lucio's dead. Go for the Widow that's on the ramp.
Alright, we're a little overextended now. Let's back up.
Engaging really hard right now. We don't have mech. We're like, oh shit.
My ultimate is ready.
We're into that here.
Oof.
Increase left side.
They're using a lot of ults already. That's good. These guys are 99.
I'm on Widow still.
Lucio low on you, Hog?
I'm just getting started.
Widow dead.
3-1. Hog low.
Yep, D.Va. D.Va out of mech.
Lucio.
Alright, good game, guys. Well done.
GG.
Alright, win streak. All the way back to top 100 on this account too, please. Exclamation mark believe.
Play of the game.
Oh, play the game as Lucio. Lucio play the game? Feels good, man.
Haven't seen one of these since like season 2.
Not gonna lie, it was a mediocre play of the game. But it was a